Let me guess.
Someone says, "How are you?"
And you say,
"I'm fine."
every time.
Always.
Even when you're tired.
Even when you're stressed.
Even when you're actually happy and excited.
"I'm fine" is not wrong.
But it's boring.
It doesn't show personality.
It doesn't sound natural.
And native speakers, they rarely say just, "I'm fine."
Today, we're changing that.
We'll give you 10 better, more natural, more confident responses you can use instead of, "I'm fine."
After this video, your English will sound more real,
More expressive.
more alive.
So please, stop saying, "I'm fine."
And let's upgrade your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Alex Speaks English.
If you're new here, we help you speak real English with confidence.
Today's lesson is simple but powerful.
We're replacing "I'm fine" with 10 better responses.
These are phrases native speakers actually use.
They are easy
Natural.
and perfect for daily conversation.
Stay until the end because we'll practice together.
And you'll choose your favorite response.
If you want to improve your English every week, subscribe and like this video.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Hey, Emily, how are you?
I'm good, just enjoying the sunshine. What about you?
Not bad. A little tired, but I can't complain.
Long week?
Yeah, it's been busy. How's everything with you?
Pretty great, actually. I just finished a big project.
Nice. That must feel good.
It does. I feel relieved.
I know that feeling.
So, how are things at work?
Honestly, they've been a bit stressful lately.
Oh no, what happened?
Just deadlines, but I'm doing okay overall.
That's good.
So really, how are you?
Today, I'm feeling fantastic.
I can tell.
Coffee helps.
Always.
Anyway, I'm glad we met today.
Me too.
Okay, let's go. Here are 10 target responses for the dialogue. I'm good.
Not bad.
I can't complain.
Pretty great, actually.
I feel relieved.
I'm doing okay.
Honestly, it's been stressful.
I'm feeling fantastic.
A little tired.
I'm glad you asked.
We'll now break them down deeply.
Now, let's break these down slowly.
And help you sound natural.
Response 1. I'm good.
This is very common.
This is very common, more common than I'm fine.
It sounds relaxed.
Examples. I'm good. How about you? I'm good today. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Repeat with us. I'm good.
Response 2. Not bad.
This means I'm okay. It's casual.
Examples. Not bad, just a bit busy. Not bad at all. Not bad, actually. Say it with us. Not bad.
Response 3. I can't complain. This is very natural.
It means things are okay.
Not perfect, but not terrible.
Examples. Work is busy, but I can't complain. Life is good. I can't complain. Pause and repeat. I can't complain.
Response 4. Pretty great, actually.
This sounds positive.
Add actually for emphasis.
Examples. Pretty great, actually. I'm pretty great today. Things are pretty great right now.
Response 5. I feel relieved.
Use this after stress.
Examples. I finished my exam. I feel relieved. The meeting is over. I feel relieved.
Response 6. I'm doing okay.
This is softer than I'm good.
Examples. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay today. I'm doing okay, thanks.
Response 7. Honestly, it's been stressful.
This is real and honest.
Native speakers don't always say positive things.
Examples. Honestly, it's been a long week. Honestly, I've been tired. Response 8. I'm feeling fantastic.
This is very positive.
Use when you're excited.
Examples. I'm feeling fantastic today. I'm feeling fantastic after vacation.
Response 9. A little tired.
Simple and honest.
Examples. I'm a little tired. Just a little tired today. Response 10. I'm glad you asked.
This adds warmth. It shows appreciation.
Example. I'm glad you asked. I'm actually excited. Repeat it.
Now let's go deeper. Common mistake number 1. Don't say only one word. Fine. Say a full sentence. Common mistake number 2. Don't always use the same answer. Change it. English is about variety. Let's compare. Boring statement. How are you? I'm fine. Better statement. How are you? I'm good, just finished work. Even better statement. How are you? Pretty great, actually. I just got good news. See the difference? Energy matters. Tone matters. Facial expression matters. If you smile, your voice changes. Even on the phone, people can hear your smile.
It's true. Let's add 5 bonus mini variations. I'm doing great. I've been better. Could be worse. I'm hanging in there. I'm on top of the world.
That last one is dramatic.
Use carefully. Situational examples. At work. I'm doing well, thanks. With friends. I'm good. What's up? When stressed. It's been a crazy week. Confidence is not about big words. It's about natural words.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Speaking time. I say, "How are you?" You answer with something different. Good. Now again. How are you today? Fill in the blank. I blank complain. Answer can't. Next. I'm blank fantastic. Answer feeling.
Hey, how's it going? Great. Again.
How are things? Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Don't whisper. Your neighbors might learn English too.
Free lesson for them. Let's review your 10 upgrades. Stop saying only, I'm fine. Instead say, I'm good. Not bad. I can't complain. Pretty great, actually. I feel relieved. I'm doing okay. Honestly, it's been stressful. I'm feeling fantastic. A little tired. I'm glad you asked.
Now you have options.
You sound more natural,
More confident.
more human.
English is not about difficult grammar.
It's about real communication.
Small changes make a big difference.
So tell us in the comments, what will you say instead of, I'm fine?
Write your new answer.
And practice it this week.
If this lesson helped you, like the video.
Subscribe to Alex Speaks English.
And share this with someone who always says, I'm fine.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
You've got this.
Bye.